Here are the top 2 papers to read if you want to be an AI engineer. LoRA, which stands for Low Rank Adaptation, and RAG, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. I want to save you as much time as possible, so I'll point out which sections of the paper are essential to read and which parts you can just skim over. There's also a lot of other important papers like Attention is All You Need, the GPT papers from OpenAI, and dozens others. But these 2 cover essential skills for AI engineers, so let's focus on them. Okay, LoRA, or Low Rank Adaptation. This is a 2021 paper written by AI researchers at Microsoft. The general idea is that when we fine-tune or customize an LLM on a specific special dataset, we don't really have to train every part of the model all over again. So the main benefit of LoRA is that it makes fine-tuning way more computationally feasible and removes the need for any expensive, crazy GPUs. AI engineers are often tasked with fine-tuning LLMs like Llama, so if you're an AI engineer, you're going to be applying this concept pretty often. Of course, that's a bit of an oversimplification, since we don't always want to fine-tune an LLM. There are other alternatives like RAG, which we'll go over in the second paper. Okay, which sections should you read? The introduction and background are essential. They provide the motivation for why the inventors of LoRA even thought of this technique and helps understand the different design choices. You can probably skim over this section on existing solutions or come back to it after you've read most of the paper, since it's a bit confusing with all the technical jargon and it might be a bit hard to approach if you don't have a lot of background knowledge on adapters. But don't worry, that's not required background knowledge for this paper. Next, I recommend thoroughly reading the method section where they go over the actual equations for LoRA and how to apply it to transformers. You can skim over the results and data experiment section, since that's not too important for getting the general idea. Related works can probably also be skimmed over, but I would not skip over section 7, understanding the low rank updates. This section does get pretty crazy with the linear algebra, so don't worry if you don't understand every line. The general idea is more important, and of course the conclusion will help wrap everything up. I also have my own video breaking down the technical details for LoRA, should pop up now, and it'll be in the description. Let's move on to RAG. It stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation, and it's another must-know topic for AI engineers. RAG came out of a 2020 paper from Facebook or Meta AI researchers. The general idea is that instead of fine-tuning a model on our custom dataset, we can store this data in a vector database and let the model access this database whenever we prompt it with a question. Then the model can use this information, cipher through it, sift through the information, and concisely answer our question. So the whole workflow involves connecting a vector database, an LLM, and another model that will search the vector database and send the information into the LLM's context window. Okay, for this paper, the introduction is also still beneficial to read, but it's a lot more confusing and definitely requires understanding neural network fundamentals. You might want to check out my video on RAG first. The method section is again, of course, good to read. Don't be intimidated by the scary looking equations, they're not that bad. Again, the experiments and results section are not as important as the intro and core methods of the paper, but they're actually interesting to read for this paper so that we can get an idea of which use cases RAG can be used for. Lastly, the related work and discussion sections for this paper don't go over anything crazy, so don't worry about them too much. If you can understand the intro and methods for this paper, you're rock solid. And again, my video on RAG is linked in the pinned comment. That's all for this video, and next you might want to check out my video on how I'd land an ML internship in 2025. See you in the next one.